Hi, I'm Dan Cunningham, Director of Major Programs at Geospectrum Technologies.
And I'm Janis Nams. I'm the Director of R&D.
So TRAPS is our product name for our variable depth sonar system. It stands for Towed Reelable Active Passive Sonar. It's a novel approach where the entire payload, including the active source, is reeled onto a single winch. A variable depth sonar is a type of sonar where the acoustic components are positioned at a specific depth in the ocean, which can be varied. This is in contrast to a fixed depth sonar, such as a hull-mounted sonar or a bottom-mounted sonar, where the depth can't be changed after installation.
The TRAPS has a unique configuration of its active source body, which provides a projector that can be rotated to the vertical position in use to provide that vertical projector array and its associated acoustic benefits, but can then be rotated in line for the recovery and storage. So this provides a system where the projector body can be treated as part of the tow cable and towed array system. This is in comparison to other systems which typically have a large, completely separate projector body that requires its own winch and or its own heavy and complex handling system to handle it. So what this means is that the TRAPS system can be more compact and lighter and simpler to operate for a system of a comparable sonar performance.
One of the unique benefits of TRAPS is that the projector is modular, meaning that you can have different projectors on a single vessel. They can be swapped out in less than 30 minutes. So you can adapt on the fly to different mission requirements or different mission needs, depending on the type of water that you're in or the type of target or contact that you're looking for.
So TRAPS can be installed below decks, integrated fully into a ship as either part of a new build or a retrofit to an existing ship. It can also be installed on an open deck up top, and even it can be installed in a standalone ISO container. So we have a configuration where the entire TRAPS system, including an operator compartment, is in a 20-foot ISO container. So this can be mounted to a ship with 4 standard ISO locks and a single power cable, and you're integrated within minutes. So the simple answer is everything. TRAPS is a family of products. We have different systems of different sizes suitable for different vessels. So this is everything from large, blue water, ocean-going ships, all the way down to very small vessels. We have systems on vessels as small as 12 meters. And this is really an exciting part because historically, up to quite recently, the thought of installing a towed active passive system on a 12-meter vessel would have just been a non-starter. So that's really neat to see. TRAPS is absolutely an end-to-end system. So in addition to the wet end components like the towed array and the projector, it also includes the winch handling system, the dry end electronics, and also all the software to do sonar processing and analysis. So there is a lot of growing interest in today's world in unmanned systems, and this includes sonar systems. In this regard, the future is now because TRAPS already has a version that's designed specifically for operating on unmanned systems for remote controlled and autonomous operations. Another area there's increasing interest is the idea of increased fleet flexibility. So this is things like systems capable of cross-decking, where you'd have systems moved from one ship to another on a short timeline. TRAPS is also well suited to this with its containerized variant that can be quickly moved across ships in a fleet.
I'm Dan Cunningham.
And I'm Janis Nams.
And this has been Ask an Expert with Geospectrum Technologies. The Dan and Janis convention. You're gonna hate us. Damn engineers. Sorry, it's the looking. It just feels like I'm just boring a hole in your forehead or something.
Straight into the camera the whole time.
What's that?
I practiced that in the mirror and it didn't work.
That was amazing. Well, we're happy to be done.
Yeah.